All blue in you. The world went quiet when I met your eyes, a shade of blue I couldn't recognize. Not the sky, not the sea, not the neon light, just a color that stayed with me all night. You wore it like a second skin, a quiet storm that pulled me in. No need for words, no need for sound. I was already lost and found. And I don't know why, but I keep returning to that shade of blue that keeps on burning. Not too cold, not too warm, it's the color I was born to mourn. All blue in you, that's all I see. All blue in you, inside of me. The sky, the sea, the space between. All blue in you, that's what I mean. All blue in you. No other shade, no other love could take your place. The world could fade to gray and mute, but I'd still see all blue in you. All blue in you. You left a trace on everything, the way you walk, the way you sing. Even the moon turned blue that night when you disappeared without a fight. I look for you in every hue, but nothing ever feels as true. Just that one color deep and wide, the one I carry deep inside. They say blue is sad, they say it's cold, but they've never seen the way you hold that shade of silence, that shade of grace, that left a blue mark on my face. All blue in you, it's all I see. All blue in you, inside of me. The sky, the sea, the space between. All blue in you, that's what I mean. All blue in you. No other shade, no other love could take your place. The world could fade to gray and mute, but I'd still see all blue in you. All blue in you. All blue in you. I'd still see all blue in you. All blue in